Good morning, everyone. Today we are very pleased to see so many participants from all around the world. Thanks to COMSAT's incredible and excellent network. Firstly, today I would like to give the floor to İsmail Doğan, Vice President of TÜBİTAK, for his opening speech. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Dear Ambassador, distinguished speakers and esteemed participants, good morning to all. And it's my pleasure to welcome all to this important workshop on the adoption of effective zero waste strategies. As we are all aware, the increasing generation of waste, coupled with its negative impact on our environment, calls for innovative and strategic solutions. Those can shape a more sustainable future. In recognition of the significance of these issues and in alignment with global efforts to reduce environmental pollution, we come together to focus on zero waste strategies. We are committed to adopting measures those not only minimize waste generation, but also promote the recovery of valuable resources from waste streams. The Scientific and Technological Research Council of Turkey, TÜBİTAK, plays a vital role in driving these initiatives by supporting groundbreaking research and development projects aimed at tackling waste-related challenges. Today, we have the privilege of discussing a wide range of topics that showcase TÜBİTAK's ongoing contributions to the global zero waste movement. Among these, we will explore innovative solutions such as the recovery of bioactive compounds from agricultural and food industry waste, the valorization of waste in the olive value chain, and the energy and raw material recovery from wastewater sludge. We will also delve into advanced technologies such as membrane-based wastewater treatment, non-contact measurement methods for sludge dewatering, and the use of molecular methods for biodiversity monitoring in environmentally sensitive areas. TÜBİTAK's commitment to sustainability is also reflected in the exciting research on turning waste into wealth. For example, we will discuss the potential of pyrolysis as a key technology for creating sustainable circular value chains in agriculture, as well as the promising applications of biomass gasification for hydrogen production, which is contributing to the development of clean energy sources. Furthermore, our discussions today will underscore the significance of reducing microplastic pollution, particularly in polar regions and oceans, an issue that has garnered increasing attention due to its long-term environmental consequences. As we recognize the global urgency of these challenges, it's crucial to align our research and efforts to foster a world where waste is not just discarded, but transformed into valuable resources for the benefit of our planet and future generations. Through these sessions, by working together with COMSAT's members and sharing our insights, we can pave the way for a more sustainable future where the principles of circular economy and resource recovery are at the core of our collective efforts. Thank you again, and I look forward to the fruitful discussions and innovations that will emerge from this workshop. Thank you.